When you buy a Fred's Tiny Houses trailer, you get support to build your tiny house on wheels. You get free access to the online course, How to Build a Tiny House, the Australian online course. Or you can get one ticket for free to the weekend workshops. Do the course first or buy the trailer first. It doesn't matter what order you do it in, you'll still get the discount. You also get 3 hours of consultation time with Fred for free. Use of the unified construction method is only available with purchase of your Fred's Tiny Houses trailer. Australian and international patents applied. Hear from some of the people who've made tiny houses on Fred's Tiny Houses trailers before on our multi-platform interview series called Candid Tiny House. It's a video, it's a podcast and a blog where you get to hear what it's really like to build a tiny house on wheels in Australia. Liberate yourself.